When it comes to going off-road, one of the best out-of-the-box off-road vehicles you can get is a Jeep Wrangler. And for the 2020 model year, we saw a whole lot of upgrades. Let's talk about it. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and we're going to talk about the 2020 Wrangler Willys. Let's dive in. If you can hear that the engine's idling a little bit louder, well, that's because for 2020, halfway through the model year, Jeep started offering this awesome EcoDiesel in the Wrangler. We can also find an engine in the Ram, which is a lot bigger than the Wrangler. This EcoDiesel's a rare feature on the Wrangler and very desirable. It makes 260 horsepower, which is okay, but more importantly, it makes over 440 pound-feet of torque. That is V8-like torque. Diesel engines make that torque right away, so you have instant torque as soon as you hit the throttle, which really aids in off-road situations. This thing excels off-road even better with that EcoDiesel engine and its amazing low-end torque. And another dividend of diesels is that they love to sip fuel. If we look here, 25 miles per gallon average, 22 city, 29 highway. Jeep also loves to offer different trim levels and packages on their Wranglers, and for 2020, the Willys package was also new. The Willys gives you a more aggressive wheel and tire package. You have a locking rear differential. You have these rock rails, and you have a unique badging along with that black front grille. Kind of I would call it like a poor man's Rubicon. Obviously you don't have the front and locking rear differentials, the automatic sway bar disconnect, but definitely improves the off-road prowess with the rock rails, the more aggressive wheel and tire package, that locking rear differential. Maybe you might not be able to go as technical as a Rubicon. Not totally gung-ho on rock crawling, but you want a capable off-road vehicle. This is a little magic carpet that can take you into so many far-off magical places out here in the Pacific Northwest, in Oregon, Washington, Idaho. We have so many places to explore. High mountain vistas, the beautiful dunes of Florence, Oregon, the mountains, the coastline, Moses Lake, so many places, and this is happy to take you there. The 3-liter EcoDiesel is only available in the Unlimited version of the Wrangler, which is the 4-door model. The 2-door model, you cannot get the EcoDiesel. The Unlimited version with 4 doors is a little bit more family friendly. While you do have to give up a little bit off-road prowess for the longer wheelbase, you get a lot more practicality and cargo space. This is a nice clean example as well. Beautiful shape inside and out. I love the color combination. White is great. And if you are gonna go off-road, white does not show scratches and imperfections as much as like a dark color like black. Black seems to show everything. You know, black is a beautiful color, but if you're gonna go off-road and it's gonna get brushed up against, sticks and shrubs and tree branches and stuff, that's gonna scratch it up and it's gonna not show up anywhere as much on the white exterior that we have in this Willys. Jeep has improved the legroom in the Wrangler. I'm 6'2". I got plenty of legroom back here, plenty of headroom, a very comfortable place to be. This is not a huge, ginormous vehicle, so any help you can get to add a little bit more space is definitely helpful. The interior is down to business, but it's comfortable and functional. You have a nice leather-up steering wheel, nice, easy to read inline gauges with a digital gauge clutch in the middle where you can pick and choose information. This one has the hardtop, obviously easily removable. Obviously the hardtop is a little bit more desirable for security, and in climates we're gonna use a hardtop a lot more. You can get a soft top. This doesn't come with one, but you can get aftermarket tops like Bimini tops and stuff like that for the summertime. And this is one of the few vehicles where you can actually take the doors off. And if you wanted to even take it a step further, I haven't seen anyone do this, but you can actually even fold the windshield down. But that's more for probably African safaris and things like that. We have a copy of the original build sheet. Original MSRP in this one is $50,090. This one has the customer preferred package, 26W, that was $5,695, bundling in lots of great features. We have an anti-spin differential, LED headlamps. We have power heated mirrors. Then this one has a technology group giving you a Uconnect navigation system, and then we have the Google, Android, and Apple CarPlay compatibility. We have the safety group, $995, giving you LED tail lamps, park sense rear park assist system, blind spot and cross path detection. Then we have the hardtop headliner by Mopar. That will help cut down on outside noise. $525 for that. The 8-speed automatic transmission was a $2,000 option. The 3-liter V6 turbo diesel, the EcoDiesel, was a $4,000 option. And the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 is standard, but that EcoDiesel is a big upgrade in torque, and fuel efficiency. The black 3-piece hardtop was a $1,295 option. Then we have the Alpine premium audio system, $1,295. Thanks for joining us on this walk around video of this awesome 2020 Wrangler Willys with that amazing EcoDiesel engine. Very, very rare find. For the 2020 model year, looking in the whole country, we have software that we use to price and find comparable vehicles, so we know that we're priced competitively to the competition. There's only 3 or 4 other 2020 Wranglers for sale with that EcoDiesel. Very rare, very hard to find. This is a beautiful, clean, low mileage example in great shape. Thanks for watching. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area, located in Auburn, Washington. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.